morning from Buddy Farm. The sun is shining, the corn is ripe. It's time for our annual Harvest Day celebration.
Well, hello there, Mr. Corn. Looking mighty tall today. It's gonna be a beautiful morning out here on the farm.
Everyone, gather round. The grand plan for the finest harvest festival ever is about to begin.
So if we flank left here by the tractor, we cut them off before the creek. Any questions? Good, let's execute. All right, everyone, listen up. Chickens and pigs, you're on egg collection and mud stirring duty. Cows, you're in charge of the milk.
Together, we can grow anything.
Welcome back to Buddy Farm. Look at that amazing harvester turning the tall corn into shimmering rivers of...
together, side by side, harvesting the crops with pride. It's a busy day down on the farm. Keep
Hey there, little feather duster. Looks like we're really shucking up the neighborhood today, huh? Uh-oh. You got this, Piggy! Keep it up, you're almost there! Woohoo! Now where are we going to store all this lovely corn? The silo is completely full. Wait a second, I've got it.
Eureka!
That old barn is full, and look at all this corn. We need a new barn, and I've got the perfect plan to build it. Wow! Dust bunnies everywhere! It looks like we've got our work cut out for us. harvest complete. To my amazing team, you've all worked so hard this harvest, and this feast is well deserved. I'm proud of every one of you. Cheers!
Eat your fill, my feathered friends. The finest corn, the farmer sends.
To the best harvest ever!
Cheers, buddy!
We are so happy together. Folks think the harvest is just about the crops, but it's more than that. It's about gratitude and the memories we make. We must remember the importance of community. When we work together, there's nothing we can't achieve.
And that, friends, is the true spirit of Buddy Farm. It's about hard work, good friends, and enjoying the simple beauty of a sunset. They say farm life is golden, and it's true. When you plant kindness, you always reap joy.
What a perfect day it was here on the farm. Time to rest up for tomorrow's adventures.